Hi guys, this is my first Trendsend box. I found out about Trendsend from a fellow YouTuber, Little Box of Happy. If you haven't checked her out on YouTube, I highly recommend watching her videos. I love watching her videos. I even requested the same stylist that she has because I have loved the selection that Emma does for her. So inside the box, there's a little note, and let's see. I got Emma as my stylist, so that's super exciting. She says, "Happy New Year. I hope you are doing well. I'm so grateful that you requested to have me as your preferred stylist and love that you tune into Little Box of Happy's unboxing videos. For your first box, I focus on finding you classic pieces that will take you effortlessly from the office to evenings out in Florida. Enjoy your try-on session and let me know what works out for you by leaving feedback as you check out." And then I have some outfits here. So the first one says "with heart" on the little sticker. And let's see. So the first one is a black jacket. It is a really soft, stretchy material. It has little zippers here on the sleeves, and then it has pockets in the front. And she paired it with some skinny jeans, Kut From the Kloth Mia Toothpick Skinny Jean. And they look like they don't have any distressing, they're just a plain little skinny jean. So that's outfit number one. The next one says, "But first, gratitude." So it looks like some little studs, all different kinds. And then this is a really soft cotton stretchy jumpsuit. It's a tank style, kind of a faux wrap in the front. And it is super soft. It looks like it'll be really comfortable. It says "play more." This looks like a snake print button-down shirt. It's by Cloth and Stone. This is super soft, very light, and has little button sleeves and just buttons down the front. And it looks like she has it with a ribbed sweater. This is really soft as well. It's almost like velvet on the ribbing. And then the pants that she has this with are black, let's see, Spanx. And they're soft, stretchy, they have pockets in the back. So, oh, and there's one more thing in here. It's a little burgundy camisole with lace at the neckline. I love how it's all packaged into outfits. So now for the fun part in the try-on. So outfit number one, I have the Allison Joy Adley lace trim cami in wine color. It's $30.40. The black Ponte blazer in black is $79.99. And then the Kut From the Kloth skinny jeans are $71.20. So I really like this outfit. The jacket is great. The sleeve length is perfect. I love the stretch. I love the color of the cami. I did a little front tuck here, but you can also just untuck it. It is a little bit big, but I kind of like it a little bit flowy. And the jeans fit great. So this is the outfit. Back up a little bit. And I just paired it with a black pump. So let me know what you guys think about this outfit. So this is the Sleeveless jumpsuit by Penny. It is $35.99. I love how super soft it is. It's stretchy, really comfortable. I love that it's sleeveless, especially for Florida. She said to pair it with these earrings, which I'm probably not going to keep, so I didn't try them on because I want to keep them nice for the next person. But the earring pack is $22.40. So let me just show you the pants. I like the jumpsuit, but I'm just not sure about the pants part because they are not flowy like I was expecting. They're kind of close to the leg. So let me know what you guys think. It's super comfortable. I mean, it kind of feels like pajamas. It is so comfortable. I'm just not sure about it because I've never worn something like this. So give me your feedback. So this is the next outfit. This is the Python button down by Cloth and Stone. It is $63.99. I did this sleeve with a little button tab, and then I left the other sleeve long. The sleeves are quite long, so I would probably have to wear it with it a little bit rolled up, but I would most likely wear it like this side. It is super soft, very light. I did a little front tuck here as it is quite long. And then these are the black Spanx that are very similar to Ponte pants. Yes, Ponte legging. They are $88. They have little seams here, but they are fake pockets, but the pockets in the back are real pockets. So they are super comfortable. They're a great length, but I do have pants that are very similar, so I probably won't be keeping the pants. This is the last item. It is the Variegated Rib Top in Oatmeal by Sunday in Brooklyn. It is $54.40. This is not as soft as I was expecting. It's soft on the outside, but kind of scratchy on the inside. And then the sleeves have a little seam here by the elbow that is going to be really annoying. I like the color and I like the ribbed style and the little banded bottom, but I'm not going to be keeping this just because of the sleeve style. So this was my first Trendsend box. Let me know what you guys think and what you think I should keep, what you think I should return, and I look forward to hearing your feedback.